Assalamu alaikum to everyone. In this video, we will find how to observe and record the charging and discharging behavior of a capacitor using an Arduino microcontroller. First of all, we have to know about capacitor. What is capacitor? A capacitor is an electronic component that stores electrical energy in an electric field. When a capacitor is connected to a voltage source through a resistor, it charges gradually. When the voltage source is removed, it discharges gradually. The voltage across a capacitor does not change instantly. It follows an exponential curve. With the help of Arduino, we can apply a charging voltage and measure the capacitor's voltage using an analog input pin. This allows us to clearly study how the capacitor charges and discharges over time. For this experiment, we have Arduino board, capacitor, resistor, breadboard, jumper, wires, USB cable, computer with Arduino IDE. Now, let's talk about circuit description. The resistor and the capacitor are connected in series. One end of the resistor is connected to a digital pin of the Arduino to provide the charging voltage. The other end of the capacitor is connected to ground. The voltage across the capacitor is connected to an analog input pin of the Arduino for measurement. Let's move to the procedure. First of all, build the RC resistor capacitor circuit on the breadboard. Connect the resistor to a digital output pin of the Arduino. Connect the capacitor between the resistor and ground. Connect the capacitor voltage point to an analog input pin. Upload a program that sets the digital pin high to charge the capacitor and low to discharge it. Continuously read the capacitor voltage from the analog pin. Observe the rising voltage during charging and falling voltage during discharging on the serial monitor. What we observe from all these experiments. During charging, the capacitor voltage slowly increases until it reaches the supply voltage. During discharging, the voltage slowly decreases back to zero. From all this experiment, we conclude that the experiment clearly demonstrates the typical charging and discharging behavior of a capacitor in an RC circuit. Using Arduino, we can easily observe and record these changes in real time. I hope you can understand this experiment very well. Thanks for watching our video.